1997, which is the most prescribed brand name drug in the world today? Lipitor. Created by Warner Lambert, who later merged with Pfizer. Sales last year exceeded $10 billion worldwide. Well, despite a significant rally in most major indexes, the Dow up 3% for the year. That pales in comparison with some foreign stocks, for foreign markets, such as the Mexican Bolsa. That one's up 42%, or the Turkish index was up 30%. So today on Street Smarts, we take a look at the international markets. Are they on the verge of overheating? Or will 2005 be a continuation of the bull run? Stephen Leuthold, the founder and chairman of Leuthold Weeden Capital Management. And Stephen, tell them, what's the headline? We're going to see more money or less money be made overseas next year?
Well, it's been a hot market, Dylan. I think there are a couple that are have corrected down that are fairly cheap. If we look at China, we look at Russia, but you did mention Brazil, and that's been a pretty hot market too. We have a fund that does invest a portion in emerging markets, and we've recently cut back our exposure from about 12% in emerging markets a year ago. Now we're down to about 8%. So we're taking a little bit off the table, but then we're usually a little bit early.
Look at these foreign market equity flows. We're seeing more flows than we have ever seen. That either a sign that the party's over or the party's just getting started?
Well, that's one of the things that scares us a little bit. When you see the public with mutual fund flows going overboard in one area, and we've seen more flow into the foreign funds this year in 10 months than we've seen it any single year, as you'll see on the chart, that's a little bit scary, and that's one of the reasons why we pulled a little bit off the table.
Where are you putting it?
Well, this is a go-anywhere fund. We can do about anything we want to, and right now we have a 10% short position in treasuries.
Now, that's been very rational. There are a lot of people that would say that your decision to be short treasuries is incredibly intelligent and well calculated. You could have made the same case a year ago and been horribly wrong. What beyond the basic mathematics gives you the confidence that you're actually going to see the Treasury decline over the next
Well,
period?
Dylan, I did make the same case a year ago, and I was wrong. But this time, we're putting our money where our mouth is, and we're looking for, say, long 10-year bonds or 20-year treasuries to probably move up maybe 100 basis points over the next 12 months. And this is actually the first time in 35 years in the business that I have not owned any bonds in a flexible account.
If you were to look overseas for 2005, is there one particular market or series of markets that, regardless of the interest and the caution you may feel, you feel compelled to stay involved with?
Well, I do feel pretty compelled to stay in China. We've had a pretty good decline in China now, and I think that is an attractive market. I also think that Russia, that certainly has been experiencing a lot of negative things recently, that market has come down quite a bit. I think we still got a 30% gain for the year in our Russian commitments, but I think that's an opportunity too. We'd be a little light in Latin America, though.
All right. Listen, it's always a pleasure to get you.
Hey, Dylan, nice to talk to you.
All right, I'll talk to you soon. Stephen Leuthold. Up next on Street Signs, another setback for AstraZeneca, this time concerning its lung cancer drug Iressa. We will have the details of this still developing story coming up, and then later, a new way to hedge your bets against a bursting real estate bubble. That in today's Shop Talk. Street Signs coming right back on CNBC.